In this video, we are going to see health role of salt consumption, what can happen when consumed in an excess, recommended amount to be taken, and good salt to be chosen. Let's get started. As evidenced by World Health Organization, Department of Nutrition for Health and Development, 1.8 million of people across the globe per year dies from consumption of more than recommended grams of salt. And recent findings shows that one person consumes at least 15 grams of salt per day. Have you heard consumption of an excess salt increase the risks of getting hypertension? Let's take a look all about salt. The table salt we normally consume is made of two elements, such as sodium and chlorine. Consumption of it plays big role in the body, include regulation of body electrolytes, conduction of nerves impulses, and water balance. But long-term consumption of an excess of salt impact the body in a negative way, include hypertension as major issue. How does hypertension come? An excess salt in your diet will increase the water potential of your blood. Simply because of salt make your body hold the water. Therefore, when you consume too much, the extra water in your blood means there is extra pressure on your blood vessel wall. As a result, more water is held in the blood and the blood pressure increases. This can lead to hypertension. Hypertension can damage the inner lining of arteries, which is one way the early step in the process of atherosclerosis, formation of plaque into inner wall of vessels. Heart disease, stroke, and kidney destruction finally can occur because of hypertension. An advice: World Health Organization recommends not to consume greater than 5 grams of salt per day, which is equal 1 small teaspoon. In addition, nutritionists recommend people to consume sea salt called potassium chloride. In fact, it is supportive for hypertensive individuals. All, cut down added salt while you are eating. Consider low-salt labeled packaged foods and cook moderate. Try your best to protect your body.